Everyone, welcome to Nursing Arena. Melena suggests which of the following options are injury to the upper bowel, miscarriage, head injury, injury to the lower bowel. The correct answer is all of the below are sign of cardiopulmonary arrest except options are dilation of pupil, immediate loss of consciousness, constriction of pupil, absence of pulse. The correct answer is constriction of pupil. Cardiopulmonary arrest means what? It is defined as loss of heart function, breathing and consciousness. What is the route of administration of MMR vaccine? Options are nasal, subcutaneous, intradermal, oral. The correct answer is subcutaneous. MMR वैक्सीन की फुल फॉर्म होती है मीजल्स मम रूबेला. द हाइट ऑफ यूट्रस इज मिडवे बिटवीन सिम्फाइसिस प्यूबिस एंड अम्बलाइकस एट विच वीक ऑफ gestation? ऑप्शंस आर 12 वीक, 8 वीक, 16 वीक्स, 28 वीक्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज 16 वीक्स. The Khan test for syphilis is an example of options are COM test, tube flocculation test, slide flocculation test, ring precipitation test. The correct answer is tube flocculation test. सिफिलिस मीन्स वॉट? ये एक बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन होता है जो कि किस बैक्टीरिया से फैलता है? ट्रिपोनोमा पैलिडिनम एंड इट इज़ यूजुअली स्प्रेड बाय सेक्सुअल कॉन्टैक्ट. What is the normal oral temperature of an adult? Options are 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, 90 degree Fahrenheit, 91.5 degree Fahrenheit, 90.6 degree Fahrenheit. The answer is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Movement of eyeball is the function of which of the following cranial nerve? Options are olfactory, accessory, optic, oculomotor. The correct answer is oculomotor. So, there are 12 pair of nerves in which olfactory nerve जो होती है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है सेंस ऑफ स्मेल के लिए एंड ये हमारी फर्स्ट क्रेनियल नर्व होती है. नेक्स्ट जो एसेसरी नर्व्स होती है ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है फॉर सप्लाई ऑफ स्टेनोक्लेडोमेस्टॉइड एंड ट्रेपेजियस मसल्स और ये 11th नंबर की क्रेनियल नर्व होती है. नेक्स्ट ऑप्टिक नर्व जो होती है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है सेंस ऑफ विजन और ये 2nd नंबर की क्रेनियल नर्व होती है. द रूट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ BCG वैक्सीन इज ऑप्शंस आर सबक्यूटेनियस, इंट्रामस्कुलर, इंट्राडर्मल, इंट्राथीकल. द करेक्ट आंसर इज इंट्राडर्मल. सो BCG वैक्सीन की फुल फॉर्म होती है बेसिली कैलमेट यूरिन वैक्सीन जो कि हम यूज़ करते हैं अगेंस्ट द इन्फेक्शन ऑफ ट्यूबरक्लोसिस एंड जो डोज होता है चिल्ड्रंस के लिए अंडर 1 ईयर ऑफ एज वो होता है 0.05 ml एंड अबाव 1 ईयर ऑफ एज इज़ 0.1 ml. Diagnostic interview with sodium amytal or hypnosis is a special features of options are mania, hyperventilation syndrome, phobia, post-traumatic neurosis. The correct answer is post-traumatic neurosis. So in post-traumatic neurosis, person is not able to express his or her feeling freely. So with the help of sodium amytal, we can easily express his or her feeling. Increased depth of breathing with normal respiratory rate is called options are hyperapnea, bradypnea, small breathing, orthopnea. The correct answer is hyperapnea. So the other options described as bradypnea means slow breathing rate that is 12 breath per minute. Small breathing is deep rapid breathing pattern and orthopnea means discomfort when breathing while lying down एंड नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग रेट जो होती है वो होती है 12 to 20 ब्रीथ पर मिनट्स. Placenta secretes all the following hormones except options are estrogen, progesterone, human chorionic gonadotropin, luteinizing hormone. The correct answer is luteinizing hormone. So as we all know that luteinizing hormone जो होता है वो प्रोड्यूस होता है गोनोडोट्रोपिन सेल से, जो कि कहाँ पे बनता है, एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड में प्रेजेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट, द नॉर्मल रेशियो ऑफ सिस्टोलिक, डायस्टोलिक एंड पल्स प्रेशर इज, ऑप्शंस आर 1:2:3, 3:2:1, 4:3:2, 2:3:4. The correct answer is 3:2:1. The approximate volume of blood in a normal adult male is 2 liter, 10 liters, 8 liter, 5 liters. Options, answers are 5 liter. In left occiput anterior fetal position, the fetal heart sound is located at, options are below the umbilicus, around the umbilicus, back toward the mother flank on the same side, middle of the spino-umbilical line of the same side. The correct answer is back towards the mother flank on the same side. And as we all know that normal fetal position कौन सी होती है, लेफ्ट ऑक्सीपुट एंटीरियर, LOA. The long head of biceps brachii muscles arise from which of the following? Options are lateral epicondyle of humerus, infraglenoid tubercle of scapula, coracoid process of scapula, supraglenoid tubercle of scapula. The correct answer is supraglenoid tubercle of scapula. Which of the following injection is routinely administered to the newborn to prevent bleeding? Options are sodium bicarbonate, methyl ergometrin, calcium gluconate, injection vitamin K. The correct answer is injection vitamin K. Question, which of the following sign is constant and reliable in an infection? Options are bleeding, diarrhea, vomiting, fever. The correct answer is fever. So फीवर जो होता है वो हमारी बॉडी का पहला साइन होता है, जो कि कब दिखता है, जब भी हमारी बॉडी के अंदर इन्फेक्शन या फिर कोई भी इलनेस होती है, और फीवर हमारी बॉडी के इम्यून सिस्टम को भी एक्टिवेट करता है. द एक्सपेक्टेड हाइट ऑफ अ नॉर्मल चाइल्ड एट 12 मंथ इज, ऑप्शंस आर 100 सेंटीमीटर, 45 सेंटीमीटर, 50 सेंटीमीटर, 75 सेंटीमीटर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज 75 centimeter. With the ordinary stethoscope, the fetal heart sound can be detected earliest between weeks of pregnancy. Options are 8 to 10 weeks, 24 to 26, 6 to 8, 18 to 20 weeks. The correct answer is 18 to 20 weeks. Which of the following is the unit of measurement in bacteriology? Options are joule, Pascal, Newton, micron. The correct answer is micron. The number of cervical vertebrae in a normal adult is, options are 19, 11, 7, 5. The correct answer is 7. So we all know that vertebral column usually consists of 33 vertebrae. Okay, जिनमें से 7 होती है cervical, 12 is thoracic, 5 is lumbar, 5 is sacrum and 4 fused coccygeal vertebrae. The division of bacteria cell and the exponential increase in their number are indicative of which phase? Options are logarithmic phase, lag phase, stationary phase, phase of decline. The correct answer is logarithmic phase. So in lag phase में बैक्टीरिया जो होता है वो क्या होता है, मैच्योर होता है एंड इज़ नॉट एबल टू डिवाइड, वो अपने आप को उस फेज़ में डिवाइड नहीं करता है. स्टेशनरी फेज़ के अंदर वो अपनी साइज़ जो होती है बैक्टीरिया की, उसकी वो अपने साइज़ को कांस्टेंट रखता है, ना तो इसमें इंक्रीज़ होता है ना ही उनके नंबर में डिक्रीज़ होता है. एंड जो फेज़ ऑफ डिक्लाइन होता है उसके अंदर जो भी उनके नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया होते हैं वो ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीज़ होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू एग्जॉशन ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन एंड एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ टॉक्सिक प्रोडक्ट. Who accidentally discovered that fungus penicillium produces a substance that destroy staphylococci? Options are Edward Buchner, Alexander Domecq, Alexander Fleming, Karl Popper. The correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Next question. The collection of information from the nursing records and through other evidences about patient care is called. Options are accreditation, nursing audit, medical audit, inspection. The correct answer is nursing audit. Which of the following is the normal respiratory rate of a healthy newborn? Options are 16 breath per minute, 20 breath per minute, 22 breath per minute, 35 breath per minute. The correct answer is 35 breaths per minute. Next question. Extremely low birth weight babies have a birth weight of. Options are 3000 to 2500 grams, 500 to 1500 grams, 1000 to 1500 grams, less than 1000 grams. The correct answer is less than 1000 gram. Next question. The normal axillary temperature of a newborn is between which of the following ranges? Options are 36.5 to 37.4 degree centigrade, 30 to 32 degree centigrade, 40 to 42 degree centigrade, 32.5 to 34 degree centigrade. The correct answer is 36.5 to 37.4 degree centigrade. What should the nurse do first when a male client is having a tonic-clonic seizures? Options are elevate the head of the bed, take measures to prevent injury, restrain the client arms and legs, place a tongue blade in a client mouth. Which of the following features is present only in dementia when compared with delirium? Options are hallucination, vivid illusion, systemized delusion occur early, misperception. The correct answer is systemized delusion occur early. Dementia means loss of memory and delirium means clouded consciousness. Which of the following is due to delay hypersensitivity type 4 type of reaction? Options are anaphylaxis, contact dermatitis, serum sickness, atopy. The correct answer is contact dermatitis. Delayed hypersensitivity type of reaction is the reaction which takes several days to develop, and this reaction involves the interaction of T cells, monocytes and macrophages. In a hospital, there are 4 patients who requires attention of the nurse. Whom of the following should the nurse attend first? Options are 21-year-old post-op patient complaining of pain, 66-year-old with a pneumothorax complaining of shortness of breath, 34-year-old asthma patient asking to ambulate, 66-year-old waiting to be discharged. The correct answer is 66-year-old with a pneumothorax complaining of shortness of breath. So as we all know that airway is our prime responsibility. In which of the following condition is blood transfusion contraindicated? Options are hemorrhage, bleeding hemorrhoids, congestive heart failure, hemophilia. The correct answer is congestive cardiac failure. Which of the following body temperature is designated as hypothermia? Options are below 35 degrees centigrade, 40 to 40 degrees centigrade, 36 to 37 degrees centigrade, 38 to 40 degrees centigrade. The correct answer is below 35 degrees centigrade. Which of the following is not an anticonvulsant drug? Options are phenytoin, ethosuximide, nortriptyline, phenobarbital. The correct answer is nortriptyline. सो नॉरट्रिप्टिलिन मेडिकेशन जो होती है वो बिलोंग करती है विद अ ग्रुप कॉल्ड ट्राइसाइक्लिक एंटी डिप्रेसेंट, जो कि कॉमनली यूज्ड होता है मूड डिसऑर्डर को ट्रीट करने के लिए, सच एज डिप्रेशन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द हाइपरटेंसिव ब्लड प्रेशर ऑफ अ 6-year-old चाइल्ड? ऑप्शंस आर 110 58 mm of Hg, 120 by 80 mm of Hg, 90 by 60 mm of Hg, 112 by 60 mm of Hg. The correct answer is 120 by 80 mm of Hg. So 6-year चाइल्ड का नॉर्मल ब्लड प्रेशर जो होता है वो रेंज होता है सिस्टोलिक रेंज बिटवीन 95 से 110 mm of Hg and diastolic range between 56 to 100 mm of Hg. The disorder of recurrent pulling out one's own hair is called as pyromania, kleptomania, rhinotillomania, trichotillomania. The correct answer is trichotillomania. So pyromania means what? पायरोमेनिया जो होता है वो क्या होता है? इम्पल्स डिसऑर्डर होता है जिसके अंदर इंडिविजुअल जो होता है वो अपनी टेंशन या अपनी एंजाइटी को रिलीव करने के लिए फायर स्टार्ट कर देता है. नेक्स्ट, क्लेप्टोमेनिया मीन्स व्हाट? ये एक मेंटल इलनेस होता है जिसके अंदर पर्सन को स्ट्रॉन्ग अर्ज होता है चोरी करने का. And rhinotillomania means what? It means nose picking. Supplementary nutrition, immunization, health checkup and referral service under integrated child developmental services are applicable to which of the following age group? Options are 3 to 6 years, 12 to 14 years, 7 to 9 years, 8 to 10 years. To 6 years, sorry. The Integrated Child Developmental Services launched on 2nd October 1975. A permanent cessation of menstruation at the end of reproductive life is called as? Options are menopause, thelarche, menarche, precocious puberty. The correct answer is menopause. Thelarche means what? It is the appearance of breast development in girls usually occur after age 8. And menarche means it is the first menstrual cycle in girl at the age of 10 to 16 years. Precocious puberty means when puberty begins before the age of 8. Which of the following is the method of termination of pregnancy in the second trimester, that is 13 to 20 weeks? Options are methotrexate, mifepristone, vacuum aspiration, oxytocin infusion. The correct answer is oxytocin infusion. Transportation of triglyceride from liver to adipose tissue is the function of which of the following lipoproteins? Options are intermediate density lipoprotein, high density lipoprotein, very low density lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein? The correct answer is very low density lipoprotein. Omega sign is seen in which of the following? Options are delude patient, depressed patient, anxious patient, negativistic patient. The correct answer is depressed patient. Omega sign is facial features classically considered diagnostic of melancholic depression. Melancholic depression is the severe form of depression. The production of the first heard sound is because of which of the following? Options are contraction of atrial musculature, closure of semilunar valve, closure of atrioventricular valve, rushing of blood into ventricle. The correct answer is closure of atrioventricular valve. Edema is a sign in which of the following nutritional disorder? Options are underweight, marasmus, nutritional dwarfism, kwashiorkor. The correct answer is kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is defined as it is occurred due to lack of protein in diet. Marasmus is defined as it is severe malnutrition usually occur in children due to lack of protein and calories in diet. And nutritional dwarfism means delayed puberty development due to maladaptive eating pattern. Which of the following is an indication of bag valve mask ventilation? Options are good respiratory effort at birth, which heart rate of 120 beat, meconium stent delivery, baby is apneic with heart rate less than 100 beats, diaphragmatic hernia. The correct answer is baby is apneic with heart rate less than 100 beats. As per Gomez classification, which of the following weight per age comes under third degree malnutrition when compared with the Harvard growth standards? Options are 75 to 90% of the standard, 60 to 74% of the standard, less than 60% of the standard, 90 to 110% of the standard. The correct answer is less than 60% of the standard. So Gomez classification means what? It classifies the protein energy malnutrition in children based on percentage of expected weight for age. Which of the following is the most appropriate route of administration for insulin? Options are subcutaneous, intramuscular, intravenous, intradermal. The correct answer is subcutaneous. Insulin is generally given by subcutaneous route with 25 gauge needles. Question: the nursing care that focus on patient care along with the family needs in the scope of multidisciplinary healthcare team is called? Options are case management, patient navigation care, team based care, primary care. The correct answer is case management. Which of the following is not a content of drug kit A provided at subcenter? Options are oral rehydration salt, tablet paracetamol, vitamin A solution, tab cotrimazole. The correct answer is tab paracetamol. In which of the following condition is oxygen therapy not indicated? Options are normal uncomplicated labor, chest injury, drowning, poisoning. The correct answer is normal uncomplicated labor. Which of the following symptom suggests that the child has severe dehydration? Options are Who drink water are ugly, irritable, lethargic or unconscious, restless. The correct answer is lethargic or unconscious. Thank you.